Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making tuna macaroni salad and you can make it with me. And for that I am using 1 cup of macaroni, half a cup of mayo, some milk, vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper, and you can use the extra virgin olive oil instead of the mayo. That is celery, carrots and green onions as well, and 1 can of tuna with the oil, in oil, but we're going to use the oil for the salad. That used to be a 6-ounce can of tuna before the pandemic, and now they are 4 ounces. So everything is shrinking. So you might be able to relate to that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a good time for you to do so. I have over 120 videos in my channel, so don't forget to check out the playlists that I have. There's a bunch of stuff that you might like. And thank you for the like, by the way. So, like with any salad, what we're doing here is the dressing, the salad dressing. So we're putting the mayo, the milk, the vinegar, salt, pepper, and the oil from the can of tuna into a large bowl, and we're going to mix it together. When I was cutting the vegetables, I put the pasta to cook. It only takes about 9 minutes, which is a great thing during the summer because you don't have to reheat the house, especially if you're using the AC. So you cook the pasta, you rinse it to get the starch out of the pasta, then you add it to the dressing. And at this moment, you're thinking, my goodness, he can't cook. Look how soupy or how watery that is. But you'll see that it will all come together because the pasta is going to absorb a lot of the liquid and the veggies as well. So we add the carrots, the celery, and the green onions and the tuna into the mix. Then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap, or you can put it in a Tupperware, and you're gonna let it rest for at least half an hour. You can do it the day before too. The day before or the night before, and then the next day you just get it out of the fridge and serve. As usual, the recipe and all the ingredients is in the description box below. That's true for all the recipes that I have there, all the video recipes, all the video tutorials that I have there. See how it's all coming together? And it will get even better with time. Like I said, the pasta is going to absorb a lot of the liquid, and it just tastes really, really good if you like fish. If you don't like eating anything that has ice, skip the tuna and the oil from the tuna can and use just extra virgin olive oil, and then you have a vegetarian salad. As simple as that. Taste it again to make sure that everything still looks good, tastes good. You don't need to make sure that you don't have to correct for salt or pepper. Put it in the fridge and go visit your friends or go visit Charlie. Isn't he cute or what? And that's it, guy. I served it in fresh bell pepper. See you next time. Check out my videos.